Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start an online store with Shopify Cloud, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Shopify website at www.shopify.com. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address, create a password, and choose a store name. Click Create Your Store to proceed. Answer a few questions about your business to customize your experience. Once done, click Next to move forward. You'll be taken to your Shopify dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and options available. To add products, navigate to the Products section on the left sidebar. Click on Add Product to begin adding your first item. Fill in all necessary details, including product name, description, and price. Upload high-quality images of your product for a better visual appeal. Set up your inventory and SKU details as needed. Click Save once you have filled in all the Next, go to Online Store in the left sidebar. Click on Themes to choose a design for your store. Browse through free and paid themes available in the Shopify theme store. Once you find a theme you like, click Install or Add. Customize your theme by clicking Customize next to your chosen theme. Modify the layout, colors, fonts, and other elements to match your brand. Return to the dashboard and click on Settings at the bottom left. Set up payment options by clicking on Payments. Choose from various payment gateways and provide the necessary information. Navigate to Shipping and Delivery to define your shipping methods and rates. Determine your shipping zones and set the prices accordingly. Go back to the dashboard and click on Overview. Preview your store by clicking the View Your Store button. Once you're satisfied, launch your store by choosing a pricing plan. Select the plan that best suits your business needs. Finally, promote your store through social media and other marketing channels. Monitor analytics regularly to track performance and make improvements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.